Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I know we're back to old setting for now. But in this video, we're going to talk about BMX. We have talked about it before. Actually, we focused more on BitMart and the interest that they were offering in the earn section in different saving products and other financial products that they offer. And we compared it to other offerings of centralized exchanges. And we noticed that consistently, BitMart has been providing more interest, more ROI, more APY. And we talked about BMX for a little bit, I think, in some of the previous videos. But I thought that it's important that we address this token separately in an entire video dedicated to it, because a lot of people want to get estimates on where this token is heading, what the projection looks like in the next few months, what potential does this token actually have, and so many of these type of questions. So here's the video about it. We're going to talk about BMX. We're going to talk about the popular predictions that we have about BMX. We're going to talk about how the price is, in a sense, fluctuating, how is it performing, what the 24-hour daily volume looks like, and what we can expect to happen in the near future. But before we get into it, we talked about an event on BitMart promotions that was happening, which a lot of people can benefit from. It is a trading competition for those people who are residing in United Kingdom. So if you are eligible to participate in this and you can benefit. So we still have about 16 days left to it, and you can win up to 10,000 BMX tokens. All you have to do is, first of all, this is for new sign up. So if you're someone who have not signed up, this is the time that you can do that and also participate in the event. So you sign up during this campaign period, which is going to stay live for the next 2 weeks, and you complete the KYC verification and you pass their risk control checks. Now, these are the 2 steps that you need to do, and then you need to deposit. You need to make your first deposit of more than $200 in value. You trade $200 in BMX and you hold at least 200 BMX during the campaign. They will be taking random snapshot, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Now, the users will be ranked in terms of total trading volume, which includes buying and selling of any tokens, not just BMX. The top 10 users with the highest trading volume, they will be rewarded with corresponding rewards. So we have first place, second place, third place, fourth place, up to 10th place. So they're giving away about 4,300 BMX in this giveaway, and then the rest of it in this event. Now let's talk about the BMX token. Now, one thing that I have figured out, in a sense, is if you compare the native tokens of other centralized exchanges, the mainstream exchanges, which we have discussed previously, and we did a comparison of the market caps that each of these tokens have. And these market caps, they are astounding. They're very huge. If we're talking about BNB, that's in billions. If we're talking about other exchanges like Bybit, OKX, and so forth, their native token has market caps that is way huge, which is in a sense good, because it shows that the token is very well established. People are holding on to it. But that also means that we have less margin for profit, because they don't have much room to grow from there, not as much as BMX has, because right now it is still at about $100 million, just below $100 million, which gives us an opportunity, because we know that the pace that this exchange is heading with, at this point, people, I talk to a lot of projects that are getting their token listed. And whenever it comes up that the token is getting listed on BitMart, they want to run promotions. They're getting listed on BitMart. That's how huge it is to get a token listed on BitMart, because it's not easy. So this is obviously has become a mainstream exchange. Everyone in crypto knows about it, and their token obviously is bound to have a much larger market cap than what it currently has. And this is where the value proposition is for the BMX token. Now, as for right now, the price is, I think, at about $0.29. It did confirm a support at about $0.23, which you can see from this chart. And it did touch a peak of about, I think, $0.57 in this June. Just a couple of months back, it did that, which shows that it can not only reach that particular price point, but seeing how the market is going to, perform afterwards, and with the predictions of Bitcoin going up way beyond $70,000, if that happens, we're obviously going to see, not only we're going to see the $0.57 mark again, we're going to be seeing a much larger price point when that happens. But as for now, $0.57, $0.58, that is a popular prediction for this token, which is obviously going to happen, which is about a 2x from now. So which presents us with a really good opportunity, because we know that this exchange is reliable, it is solid. We don't have to worry about, our assets being stolen, that, the token getting rugged. We don't have that kind of issue here, but it is also presenting us with the opportunity that we usually get in low cap projects. But again, low cap projects have risk, this one doesn't, and that, I think, is very, very huge. So you can obviously take a look at this chart, and this is, I think it's actually it's a 1 year chart, and you can see in about at June, it touched a price point of about $0.57. And the trading volume, if you notice, it has been consistent, especially in the last week. It has been, well, not only that it has been significant, but it has been consistent, which is a really good sign. So I think this is a very good addition. It is going to be a very good addition in this bull run that can do us a lot of good. But in the end, of course, this decision is completely up to you and not anyone else. So always do your own investigation and research, and do not take any of my words as investment advice. That's my advice. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly, so stay tuned.